Kami sa spring dito sa Burgos. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ano yun? Full? You're okay?
I'm not sure which one.
Wait. I hold.
Thank you.
Oh, isda.
I wanna take you at the back.
No, I'm still here.
It's just up to here the water.
Asa na tanang kwan? Paliguan?
Paliguan na.
Ah.
You can go there, sorry.
Daming isda.
Thank you, Kim. Yeah.
Tilapia. Dili tilapia?
You can go at the back. I wanna show you.
I'll go as far as I can, okay?
Yeah, this
I can't get my shorts.
Okay, leave the back, leave the back. Thank you, Kim.
Yeah, well, no, I have my swimsuit, but it's in the car.
Ah, you can get. No, we have time.
Wow.
Yeah. We have lunch at 12. It's, what time is it? 10:30, no? 11. Okay, we got this. This fast.
Cold Spring.
You can pass by here, Kim. If you don't want to get wet. What's in the back though?
So hard.
How do you call this again? No, Katingalahan Springs. Spring. You can pass by here.
Yeah, how did you...
You saw Terry and too?
Yes,
Oh, really? How do you
find it? We have a friend, Shirley.
Oh.
Oh, adventure.
Wow.
You wanna pass by here?
Yeah, I'm gonna try that.
Come on, Lim. Are you ready to swim?
Maybe I'll go there. He can support you.
You can pass by here too. Yeah.
Wow!
Ano pangalan nito rin?
Katingalahan.
Kasi ako yung ano sa YouTube. Katingalahan Spring.
See? He's a big. He's good.
Yeah.
Him. A lot of fish there.
I know.
Wow.
I think if I had my swim shorts and I was filming later, I should be swimming. The fish are friendly.
It's okay. I use
The rocks feel good on my feet. My feet are in bad condition, so it hurts.
Go.
I can smell the fish.
Yes, he's there. A lot.
Oh,
There's a small cube at the back.
Small what?
My fault is already
Okay. Okay, there. You been there already? No.
But
Only here.
because when I came here, there's a lot of logs.
Mm-hmm.
After
I like it.
How deep do you want to go? Is that it? Okay, alright. Then just stay there.
Oh my god.
And just stay there. If your feet hurt, it's usually because your feet are in bad condition.
Really?
Nah, because your muscles are tense.
Oh.
Normally, it wouldn't hurt this much. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, nawala na.
I will leave again.
Ako siya. Ang video, ang mga arthritis. Ang mga rayuma o ubang pang. Si Doc, grabe naka-enjoy. Pwede ba laman ta maligo? Mabasa man gud ang.
Okay raman nabasa yung langkuranan.
Oo.
Pwede raman.
Na mag-video pa kami unya.
Ah.
Kapag na mo yung mga bisita, okay ra ko.
Oh,
So na mo yung mga guest.
okay.
Yeah.
Kasi
Ako picture Doc.
matuyo lang naman sila.
Dali sa atap, tapos mag-selfie ka sa
Oh my
One,
God,
two.
My feet are in bad condition.
Okay, can you
Thank
take
you.
photo?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sa akin video.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, 1, 2. Ilaw lang para makakita.
Hold on. This one.
Ayan. Gonna put that in the...
Ah.
Sarap
No, we don't need to
AI
put it. No. Not gonna be. Oh, maybe. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I newsletter.
Oh, yeah, I'll set it up. There you go. And, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. And can you help? Just press the button. And then get in the shape. Alright, I'll get that shape. Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again. Okay, salamat.
Salamat, Rachel.
Okay,
My feet.
Oh my god.
the rocks are massaging it.
Yeah, I know. My feet really need a massage.
your water is from the end. There's a cave at the back, and that's where the water comes out.
Sometimes we need to walk barefoot. And we also just need to relax.
Yeah, actually barefoot is very good.
Yeah, it is.
Humans are always wearing something.
Yeah.
So I like where it grounds you,
Yeah.
and actually your
Feels good.
feet adjust. I mean it massages your feet,
Yeah.
and all the nerve endings.
Yeah. They relax.
They relax.
Then so you feel nothing when you sleep on this floor?
There is, but
Not.
I'm used to it.
Yeah, and it's a different kind of pain.
It's not
It's just,
pain.
it's not pain. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like you feel tension, but me, I feel a lot of pain. So, but you just need to wait. You know, it massages it and it relaxes it.
CT fit.
Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance.